Radhavaldab Shri Harivansh, let's say discuss on the 10th class JAC Board and CBSE Board of the first lesson of mathematics. This is the important class for the everyone, and this class is basically the lecture about the number system. So our the first lesson is the real number. So under this the number, real number is the biggest set of the all the numbers. It is basically the combination of the rational plus the irrational. So before starting the classes, we know about the some basic numbers of the number system, like the whole number. If I talk about the whole number, what is the whole number? To the big classes, we know about this thing. The number which is started from the zero, like 1, 2, 3, dash, dash, dash. All these are called the whole number. It is indicated by the Z. It is indicated by Z. These are the whole numbers. Okay, so the number which is starting from the zero, okay, these are called the whole numbers. And if I talk about the natural number, the number which is start from the natural number, the number which is start from 1, okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash, dash. These are called the natural number. It is also called the counting numbers. Okay, counting number is also known as the natural number. It is indicated by n. Okay, so you can write like n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash, dash. Okay, so you can write according to your the requirement. So this is the natural number and the whole number. What are the difference between the natural number and the whole number? There are a little bit difference over here. So the whole number 0 is adding before the natural number, and it itself make the whole number. But the natural number, it always start from the 1. So this is the little bit difference between them. And if I talk about the integers, integers that broadly classified two types. Sorry, INTGERs. There is error in the spelling mistakes. So integers. First, your positive integers, like +1, +2, +3, okay, +4. All these are called positive integers. You can take, okay, like 12, but in the plus 36. Okay, you can take also the bigger number. All these are the positive integers. So if I talk about the second types, like the negative integers, like -1, -2, -3, -4, dash, dash. These are called the negative integers. So we have the next topic, like rational number. Irrational number. This is the very simple and biggest form of the number also. So it is the form of P by Q or A by B. So simply write P by Q format is called the rational number, where Q equal not 0 and P and Q is the simplest form, that is the not more than 1. Okay, that means you can take the CF among the P and Q, you can get the H1. Okay, CF of the both the number. So this is the rational number which is written in the P by Q format and Q equal not 0. For example, take this like 7 by 2, 0, comma, -3 by 2, 0.52. Okay, one thing you remember, rational number is also called the terminating number and non-repeating number. Okay, these are called the pseudo-rational number. So you remember for this thing. And second things, irrational number. Okay, irrational number. So what is irrational number? Like pi, okay, and root under 5, root under 2. The number which cannot express the complete value or complete terminating formation. Okay, these are called the irrational number because it cannot be written like P by Q format. Okay, second type of the number must be kept in the irrational number. So I hope you understood. Real number is the combination of the rational number and the irrational number. And after combining these two numbers is make the complete real number. So real number is the biggest set of all the numbers. Under this number we can put the any kinds of the number. Whatever the number you will see in this world, you can mention in the real numbers because it is itself the biggest number. Okay, so this is the basic information about the number system. So in the next classes we will discuss about the how can find the LCM and HCF. If you're interested and know about the details information about the highest common factor and the least common factors in coming classes, please follow me and comment me, and also subscribe and share my the videos for the more mathematics information. Till then, goodbye.